Currently available for sale is this beautiful beachfront home located at Calatagan Beach near Playa Calatagan in Batangas. It sits on a 1,000 square meter lot area with a floor area of 500 square meters. The house is strategically located with a beautiful view of Batangas Bay and has a big and open yard planted with trees and fully landscaped. It has a spacious lanai where one can spend a lazy afternoon while watching the sunset. The lanai also offers a stunning view of the beach. The house comes with a spacious living room and a dining room that can accommodate a large group or family. It also has a large kitchen with imported kitchenwares and custom-designed cabinets made of the best materials and finishes. The house has narrow stairs leading to the upper floors. It has Spanish-styled hallways made only of the finest imported materials. The house contains 5 spacious bedrooms, 6 toilet and bathrooms, with a master's bedroom that offers a magnificent view of the sea. The house is built with a 3rd floor balcony that has a breathtaking view of the ocean that is ideal for barbecue parties. The house at night is likewise a beautiful sight to behold with its imported lightings and design, making it a landmark to appreciate during evenings. This property is simply magnificent and comes with a price tag of 20 million pesos, furnishings and furnitures included. Up for sale is Blue Dolphin, a beautiful Islander 36 sailboat, considered one of the top 10 cruising boats of all time. Blue Dolphin was acquired in 2011 by its current owner from its moorings in Busuanga and is now undergoing a total facelift in Subic Bay. It recently underwent a complete refurbishing and refitting under the watchful eyes of its owner. This yacht is highly recommended for purchase by someone looking for a quality cruising boat. It can accommodate up to 6 persons comfortably. The gel coat on the hull and deck of this beauty were completely scraped back to their original fiberglass finish and repainted like new. The aluminum mast and boom were also scraped and repainted like new. The standard rigging was also completely replaced with latest technology synthetic materials. The teak and Hollywood interior was completely revarnished, and seat cushions were completely replaced with Sunbrella UV-resistant material. The electrical wirings were also completely replaced with marine-grade units, while interior lights were replaced with LED low-energy bulbs in most locations. The interconnecting pipes for the water supply were also completely replaced, and the freshwater tanks were flushed and cleaned. The bilge pumps and toilet installations were also completely replaced. The original Kubota 23 horsepower 3-cylinder engine was also completely replaced with a newly overhauled latest model unit and runs smoothly and produces zero smoke. The mainsail was also replaced with a new one. New marine electronics were installed consisting of a GPS system and marine VHF radio plus Raymarine depth and boat speed instruments. A marine air conditioner will also be installed prior to its sale. This beauty is available for a price of 2 million pesos.